Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota RAV4 2.5 litre petrol hybrid design with CVT automatic gearbox. This vehicle has currently done 14,945 miles and it's finished in the colour pure white. It does sit nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This RAV4 also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. To the rear, the convenience continues as you have a powered tailgate which you can open and close with just the push of a button. The tailgate provides you with access to the 580 litre boot. You can increase this space to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats. You can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your steering wheel, here to the left you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway journeys. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data. There's a driver assist display, your audio, additional hybrid information. There's also vehicle settings, including access to your lane departure warning system and pre-collision warning system, features to keep you safe when you're on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You do have apps with access to in-car and MirrorLink. You do have trip information here as well as your energy monitor where you can see the hybrid system. You've also got your setup here with system and vehicle settings. This RAV4 does come with a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake.